everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alia Nuktatul Fadila. I am from class English C. So now I will explain about symbiosis in nature and the lives of living creatures. In our lives, we recognize the existent symbiosis among living beings in our surrounding. Symbiosis is a biological interaction between two different types of living organisms within an ecosystem. Symbiosis can occur between plants, animals, or microorganisms that live side by side and interact with each other. In symbiosis, one or both can benefit, suffer a loss, or remain neutral. There are several types of symbiosis commonly found in the ecosystem around us, including first, mutualistic symbiosis. This is a type of symbiosis in which both organisms benefit from each other. In mutualism, both species benefit and tend to be interdependent for their survival. For example of symbiosis mutualism is bees and flowers. Bees get nectar from flowers as a food source, while flowers receive help in pollination when bees carry pollen from one flower to another. Second, parasitic symbiosis. In parasitic symbiosis, one organism called the parasite benefits, while the other organism, referred to as the host, is harmed. Parasites usually live by taking nutrients from their host and often cause damage or disease to the host. For example of parasitic symbiosis is tapeworms in the intestines of humans or animals. Tapeworms that live in the host intestines and absorb nutrients from the food digested by the host will cause the host to become nutrient deficient. Third, commensalism symbiosis. In commensalism, one organism benefits without affecting the other organism either positively or negatively. Commensalism is often found in species that live together in one habitat but do not have a deep dependence on each other. For example of commensalism is the remora fish with the shark. When the remora fish attaches itself to the shark's body or stays around the shark, it gets leftover food without affecting the shark. Fourth, amensalism symbiosis. Amensalism is a type of symbiosis where one organism is harmed, while the other organism neither benefits nor is harmed. This interaction usually occurs when one organism releases chemicals that inhibit the growth or development of another organism. For example of amensalism is the penicillium fungus with bacteria. The penicillium fungus produces antibiotics that inhibit the growth of nearby bacteria, but the fungus does not gain any benefit or suffer any loss from the presence of the bacteria. Fifth, neutralism symbiosis. Neutralism is a type of symbiosis where both organisms coexist without affecting each other. Neither of them gains any benefit or suffer any loss. For example of neutralism interaction is when different species of herbivorous animals live in the same pasture without affecting each other. Symbiosis plays an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. This interaction helps preserving biodiversity. With the presence of mutually beneficial relationship, organisms of different species can survive better. Helping to regulate population in parasitism, for example, helps to control host population so they do not grow too rapidly. And supporting the flow of energy in mutualism, such as relationship between pollinators and plants, which help plants in reproduction, thereby supporting the food chain. Symbiosis is a complex and important form of adaptation for a healthy ecosystem and plays a role in supporting the sustainability of various organism lives in nature.